Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to use some basic Linux stuff that I'm just going to show here. I'm going to start with tar.gz files that you can see on the internet. So I'm going to start this in terminal, but I'm going to do this here. So I right click in this folder where this stuff is in. I right click here and I click open in terminal. And now it has the location of this place here. So what you do is you write this stuff first, just this stuff, right? And then you just copy the name of this. If I change the name, I probably can get the full thing. Then I just paste it here. And then you click enter. And as you can see, it extracts the whole thing. So now it's done. And to simplify this, I'm just going to make a new folder called TeamSpeak, for example. This is like the chatting program. So this one I can just delete now because I've already done that. Be sure not to take the other stuff here. Oops. And I just move it over to the folder here. And in order to start the program, you just you just click on this one and it should work basically, as far as I know. Yeah. So basically, that's how you do it, and then you can just put it on the sideline here and just right click and just put it there, and that's how you do it. And now that I've done that. Now I'm going to show you how to this one is kind of easy though, but there's something called Appimage. It is Linux. So what you do is you right click settings, and then executable as a program. You just click this thing right here, and if you press it now, it should open, because normally it doesn't open if you have it like like normally or something. So here we go. Cancel. Let's see. I'm just gonna close this program, but I have it somewhere else. So I'm just gonna delete this now. But I have it installed somewhere else. Like if I press it, if I go to let's see here, go to home program, and I go here. If I just press this one, it should work. But I think it's get confused because I have two of them. So so as you can see, it works. So just close that one and going back to where I was. Okay, so now you wonder. Okay, so how do we start? How do we install a game with SH back on it? Right click, open the terminal, and then first you write the word bash and then space, and then just copy and paste the name here. Let's see here, change name, and just copy the name and just paste it here, and then click enter. And as you can see, I'm getting the installation here, so I'm just gonna install it. It's kind of a cool game too, so yeah, I'm gonna press that's the right name, destination, and just gonna click OK. And you also have to right click and allow launching, to try to launch the game. So if I'm just gonna go there, and if I click it now, and yeah, as you can see, works excellently. So just close it there. Alright, I think that's good enough. Let's quit the game. Yes. So those are just some of those basic things I want to support to show on how to run Linux stuff. And soon I think GOG Galaxy is gonna be ported to Linux too, so that's gonna be awesome. I think Linux is the future because I just got so tired of the whole of giving your registration information to Microsoft, but also I think it got better since the early 2000s because Linux back then just wasn't that good. Now I actually think it's very good in support and all that. And meanwhile, I have some games that I use Wine on though, certain games. So that's just a temporary solution. But I'm quite happy with this. I have no complaint. This is awesome. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope they helped you on your way. So thank you and bye.